All right, questions to ask at an open house. There's gonna be so much information already readily available about the house itself, whether it be disclosures, statistics, etc. If I'm you, I'm asking about the neighborhood. What are some local amenities? What is the house near? What are some cool things about the direct neighborhood around the area? That's the best question to ask at an open house.
When you're at an open house and you really like that house, ask the listing agent, how can your offer stand out against others? Ask them about if they want a no contingency offer, seller rent back, different things like that will make you stand out and make you actually get the home that you want.
When you're visiting your next open house, make sure to ask the listing agent if they know of any other off-market properties coming to the market soon. They may have some hidden opportunities that have not hit the market yet that you can take full advantage of and be the first to know about it.
Ask the listing agent for disclosures. They'll send you possibly home inspections, pest inspections. You need to be up to date on what's going on with the sewer lateral, city reports. You want to have a good idea of what's going on with this property, and the disclosures will give you a very good idea of everything behind the scenes.
So my recommendation when attending an open house is to try to ask questions of the listing agent. What has their interest level been like? How's traffic? That way when you go to make an offer, you know how competitive it needs to be.